Welcome to DMC's Media, Skills for the Real World. This is your channel for practical training, tutorials, and real job site knowledge that prepares you for the unexpected.
Today, we're diving deep into what really happens when a major construction project hits the unexpected. From hidden horrors underground to regulatory red tape, we'll uncover the real challenges that test a crew's skill, patience, and problem-solving abilities. Let's start where every great build begins, underground. Breaking ground can feel like opening a mystery box. Crews often discover forgotten gas lines, water pipes, or power cables from decades past. Old city plans aren't always accurate. Hitting one of these can halt work instantly, and sometimes even cause dangerous leaks. That's why utility locating and dig-safe programs are critical. But even then, surprises happen. Then there's the soil itself. Unstable soil pockets, underground springs, or hidden bedrock layers can throw an entire foundation plan off course. These issues often demand redesigns, deep soil stabilization, or even a total re-engineering of the foundation, costing time and money. And sometimes, what's underground is more than just dirt. Contaminated soil or hazardous waste left from old industrial sites can halt everything until specialists clean it up safely. Environmental remediation can add millions to a project's budget and months to its timeline. Even after the site's ready, the job doesn't get easier. The concrete jungle throws curveballs of its own. Every beam, bolt, and panel matters, and global supply chain issues can delay critical materials. Imagine waiting weeks for custom glass, specialized steel, or prefabricated components. Meanwhile, hundreds of workers are on standby. Then there's the weather. On big builds, hurricane winds, flash floods, or extreme heat can stop operations cold. Safety always comes first, but those lost days add up fast. Picture this. A crane's hydraulic system fails mid-lift, or a concrete pump gives out right before a major pour. These mechanical meltdowns can delay structural work and ripple through every trade on site. That's why preventive maintenance and quick access to spare parts can make or break your schedule. Machines and materials can fail, but people can too. The human element introduces a whole new layer of complexity. Miscommunication between subcontractors can lead to work duplication, unsafe overlaps, or even design errors. Finding skilled operators, welders, and electricians has become harder than ever. Short-staffed crews mean slower progress and increased burnout. When the pressure's on, corners can get cut. Maintaining safety culture and crew morale is essential, because one lapse can lead to injury or worse.
Leaders who listen and communicate clearly are the real anchors of a successful job site.
Even if you manage the people and the weather, the regulations can still get you. From zoning to environmental permits, approvals can get stuck in bureaucracy. A single missing signature can hold up millions in progress. Building codes evolve, and sometimes updates happen mid-project. This forces redesigns and new inspections. Regular inspections ensure safety and quality, but they can also cause delays if even small issues are found. The key is to stay proactive, anticipate what inspectors will look for, document everything, and keep your site transparent. When challenges hit, the best teams innovate. Pressure breeds creativity. When custom beams were delayed, one project team 3D printed formwork to cast temporary reinforcements. Another used drones and LiDAR scans to quickly remap a shifted foundation. And on one flood-prone site, crews built temporary drainage channels overnight to save the project from water damage. It's that mindset, the ability to adapt fast, that defines great construction professionals. Every large-scale construction site is a living organism, complex, unpredictable, and constantly evolving. But with teamwork, planning, and quick thinking, even the toughest challenges can be turned into success stories. Thanks for watching DMC's Media, Skills for the Real World. If you learned something new, give this video a like, share it with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world construction insights.